Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good and fine. So today I'm gonna teach you how you can change your profile status on your Discord app. Okay, if you open like any softwares like Audacity, playing Audacity or playing Roblox, how to set like that. So today I'm gonna show that. So guys, before we get into this video, I don't know, this might be the last video. Okay, this might be the last video guys, because the sad news is coming soon. But for sure we are not closing our channel, we're not closing our company, all that stuff. There'll be some, because of my work, some work and personal work, I'll say in the new upcoming video. So just stay tuned guys. So if you tell like why my wallpaper is changed and why my interface is fully changed, because I am in my gaming account, Storm gaming account guys, and I am PCSPL and I am Storm, as you know guys, Storm. Yeah, I'm the Storm and I'm same PCSPL. So yeah guys, if you have a application, you have the Discord application only, this trick will work. If not, it will not work if you use web application. So let's get started. So open your Discord application, okay, and this is my server and stuff. Okay, so you have your small profile icon here, okay, in the left bottom. Okay guys, so click on the option called user settings. Okay, so you have many like my account, profile, privacy and safety, all that stuff, but we are gonna get into the option called registered games guys. Okay, so we doesn't have any games added in here, but we have to add it. Okay, so for adding that thing, you have to click on the option called add it in the bottom, and you have to select the application you want to do it. If your application is open, you can add it. If not, you can't. So let me select, and now I have currently opened OBS guys. So let me just click on OBS and I'm gonna add game. So my OBS is, I'm just using the application now and I'm now playing. So let me just close it and you can see guys playing OBS. Okay, so I'll show with another example also guys, like opening Audacity. Okay, so let me open Audacity guys. I have the Audacity open and I'm gonna choose that application same as before, add it, select Audacity, starting up, add game, playing Audacity. Okay, so because now it's just starting up, it says playing Audacity is starting up, but yeah, this is how you can add your own thing. So my friend is also playing Roblox, and if you don't know how to add Roblox, it's the same thing. You have to close this, open Roblox player. Okay, so guys, I play Roblox. Okay, I'm not gonna start any gaming channel, I'm just playing some kart rides and hobbies guys for my fun. Okay, so yeah guys, now it has officially opened. So let me just minimize it, go to Discord, and it says playing Roblox because already it is been verified by Discord. So it says playing Roblox guys. So let me just close it. So this is how guys you can add your custom profile. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If it is, subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell for more videos and live streams guys. So see you in the sad news, yeah, in the next one video guys. So bye guys, bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading